Guys, can you even imagine a car blasting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1 second? Yeah, that's the wild promise of the 2026 Tesla Roadster. This thing isn't just electric, it's going to shake up the supercar world with rocket-level speed. Today, we're diving into all the full specs, release date, and everything you gotta know. Welcome to Auto your go-to spot for the hottest updates on upcoming SUVs and cars. If you're a car fanatic, hit that like and subscribe, and let's jump right in. First off, a quick history lesson. The original Tesla Roadster dropped back in 2008 and basically put Tesla on the map. Now, this next-gen version was teased as a concept in 2017, but it's been delayed forever. Why the holdup? Tesla's been grinding on stuff like the Cybertruck and Semi, but hey, it's finally shaping up, and man, the wait looks totally worth it. Let's talk design. This beast comes with a super sleek, aero-efficient body, plus a removable glass roof that stashes right in the trunk, giving you that full convertible vibe without any trade-offs. Up front, it's got aggressive lines, sharp LED lights, and a low nose that slices through the wind like butter. In the back, a massive diffuser and active spoilers keep it glued to the road at insane speeds. This car straight up looks like a supercar from the future. Now the mind-blowing performance specs. It's rocking a tri-motor all-wheel drive setup with 10,000 Newton-meters of wheel torque and over 1,000 horsepower. Base model hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, quarter mile in 8.8 seconds, and a top speed over 250 miles per hour. Range? A whopping 620 miles on a single charge, perfect for those epic road trips. But the real star is the optional SpaceX package, cold air thrusters that amp up acceleration, sharpen handling, and Elon says it could even do short hops, like a flying car experience. With that, 0 to 60 drops under 1 second. No joke, this is legit aerospace tech. And the special features that make it one of a kind. Steer-by-wire system, just like the Cybertruck. No old-school steering column, just super smooth and precise control. Interior, 4 seats, more than before. Premium materials, a huge central touchscreen, and full autopilot-ready hardware. Battery tech, the latest cells that crank up efficiency so it can smoke petrol supercars like the Bugatti Chiron in range and speed. Quick comparison, Bugatti's top speed is similar, but this one's electric, 0 emissions, and way cheaper to run. Price-wise, starting around $200,000 to $250,000, with a $50,000 reservation. For the value, it's a steal compared to other supercars. No fuel bills, dude. Release date? The official unveil is set for April 1st, 2026. It's tentative, and knowing past delays, it might shift a bit. But Tesla's latest earnings call confirmed production kicks off in 2027, with deliveries that same year. Stay hyped, because even with the wait, this thing's going to be revolutionary. So guys, the 2026 Tesla Roadster is a total game changer. Insane speed, massive range, and future tech all wrapped up. That under 1 second claim from the title? Yeah, it's possible with the SpaceX kit. What do you think? Would you snag one or just wait it out? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you dug this video, smash that share button. Catch more upcoming car updates on Auto Hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.